Hey guys, alright, in this video I'm going to make one of my world famous smoothies. Well, it's world famous to me, it's really only known in my block. Okay, I'm lying, really in my household, but look. Anyway, it's a smoothie that to me has all the essentials that you need. First I have this Kirkland coconut water. It's organic coconut water, not from concentrate. Get like a 12 pack of these from Costco. It's something like maybe $9.99. I have the neem powder. This here is an important blood cleanser, and it could be used for other things I'm going to put on the site, but basically just, you know, I'm going to keep the video family friendly, so I'm not going to put what else it can be used for, but let's just say it's good, clean your blood. And we have some camel powder. Now camel, the berry, this here is for your natural vitamin C. So I use about a teaspoon of this. We have the Cell Food 102. This is the sea moss, organic Irish moss powder, organic bladderwrack powder, and organic burdock root powder. Cell Food 102. I have some kale already previously washed, ready to be added to the smoothie. And I have the tropical fruit blend. I got this bag too from Costco, organic tropical fruit blend. I think this bag cost about $9 or so. You get, let's see, 4 pounds organic fruit. And then I have this other bag of organic fruit I got from Costco, Organic Berry Supreme. I think this one was something like $7.79. It's 3 pounds. 3 pounds, and includes raspberry, blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries. The tropical blend includes your strawberries, mango chunks, and pineapple chunks. Now, eventually I'm going to give up pineapples because I think according to Dr. Sebi, pineapples are hybrid, but for now I just use the pineapples. Whatever. I need to really get more strict with the diet, but I mean, you know, for all you out here who may not believe that or whatever, just, you know, other people in the house, my kids love pineapples, so for now I just get it. I try to actually, when I reach in the bag, go around the pineapples, but if I happen to get some in there, I'm not sweating it too much. Eventually I'll probably give it up altogether, but anyway, back to the video. Here we have basically the NutriBullet. I'm going to take the container here, gonna add some coconut water. First I'm gonna shake it up. Add some. Also, you might want to keep it in the refrigerator so when you get ready to add it to your smoothie, it's nice and cold. I will add some kale. Then at this point, this is when I usually start to add the powders. I'll take a scoop of the sea moss, bladderwrack, and burdock root. I have my teaspoon here, which actually I need to dry. Let me dry it off. Oh, no, sorry, it's a tablespoon. Alright, I'm messing up in the game. Here's a teaspoon. Teaspoon. Gonna use this for the camel powder. That's about a teaspoon or so. Drop that in. Now with the neem powder, you don't need a whole lot. On the back it says the serving size is 1 gram with water, once or twice daily. Whatever. Look, I just scoop out a small amount. You can also add it with water. It's kind of bitter to the taste. It kind of blends in with the smoothie somewhat. It still gives it a slightly bitter taste, but it's good for you. Yeah, I'm gonna add that. Now, let's add some fruit. Alright, throw a couple strawberries in there. I'm gonna add, try to scoop around, get these mangoes. Here we go. Throw some mango. Some mango. I believe this is a mango. If I get a pineapple, like I said, I'm not too worried about it. I think this is a pineapple, I don't know, whatever. I'll just throw it in. Not that big a deal. Alright. Another piece of mango. Now, let's go to the other bag. You know, I can seal this later. I don't want to waste time in the video. You don't need to see me seal the bag. Alright. Get another strawberry. This got some nice big strawberries in here. Go ahead. Grab a couple blueberries up with some blackberries and raspberries. Drop that in. That's about enough. Maybe one more handful. Alright. And I may need some more coconut water, because you want to make sure you have enough liquid so that it blends well. If not, you're going to hear the blender making all type of noise. Sounds like it's struggling. Sounds like somebody trying to start an old Dodge or something. That means that not enough liquid. So we're going to add the liquid. Shake this bad boy up a little bit. I'm not sure if I did that before, but shake it up. Pour it in. And one thing I like about this coconut water, it doesn't have all the pulp. I don't really care for the pulp in the coconut water. And it's pure. And sugar. Where's the sugar? 13 grams of sugar. See, it's not too bad. Organic coconut water, organic sugar, ascorbic acid, vitamin C. That's it. It's the good stuff. All right. Screw the top on. Let me see, am I missing anything? Neem, camel, got the sea moss blend. And basically the sea moss blend, that's my vitamins and minerals. I used to use like green powder. There's some green powder for the kids. Let me just take it out real quick. For those who want an alternative, here, there's green superfood. Amazing grass. I used to use this, but I no longer use anything formulated in the lab. Although technically, I guess you can say this here was formulated by somebody else, I guess in a lab. But this is just the sea moss, bladderwrack, and burdock. And from doing my studies, it supplies 102 minerals that the body needs. So this is what I use in the smoothies. I don't use this anymore, but the kids, I don't give this to the kids, the sea moss bladderwrack. I just put the green superfood in their smoothie. This is what they like. This is the taste. I'm not going to lie to you. The sea moss bladderwrack and burdock root, it smells like dirty fish water. I mean, it's good for the body. I had to get used to it. It's palatable to me, but it smells like old dirty fish water. I'm just going to be honest with you. But it's healthy for you. So you know what? I don't care. I got used to it now. I put it in. I mix it with the fruit. Oh, honey. Most important. Gotta add the honey. Almost forgot that bad boy. Now, the best honey to use is Manuka honey. But right now, I have this. 100% raw and filtered honey. I got this from Costco for about $6.99. The Manuka honey is more expensive. You know, for a decent sized jar, you can pay about a good $20-30. But you know what? It's a lot better. But for now, whatever. I got this because, you know, it was something that's cheap. It's to get. I want to show people too how they can, you know, make everything affordable to eat healthy. But also, you know, I'm going to have my organic dandelion tea. This is a little off topic, but my dandelion root tea, I like to add a little honey in it. So eventually too, as money permits, you know, I'll do the Manuka honey, but for now, this is good enough. There we go, add some honey. Put the top on, that's everything. Now we're gonna blend this bad boy up. One day I gotta get a better blender. As money permits, we're gonna go with a Vitamix. For now, I'll mess with the NutriBullet. Alright.